Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix Bluetooth not working issue on iPhone. If you're experiencing Bluetooth connectivity issues on your iPhone, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to resolve the issue. So in this video I will give you some these steps from which you can fix your Bluetooth not working on iPhone. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our step number 1 is to restart Bluetooth and device. Open the control center on your iPhone by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen and then turn off the Bluetooth by tapping it on its icon. Wait for a few seconds and then turn back it on. After this, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can often resolve these type of issues. To restart your iPhone, you have to open the settings on your iPhone, tap on the general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. You have to go to software update and check if there is an available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. Like I am having an update of 17.4. All I have to do is simply tap on update now, or I can update it tonight. So guys, after this, then you have to do is forget and reconnect the Bluetooth device. You have to go to the settings on your iPhone, then tap on the Bluetooth. Now find the device causing issues and tap on the eye icon. Now tap on forget this device, tap on forget device again and then reconnect it again. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset your network settings. Resetting your network settings can resolve Bluetooth issues. You have to open the general on your iPhone, scroll down and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix Bluetooth not working issue on iPhone. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.